Hello, and welcome to Ludotips TV. Today we're diving into some invaluable tech tips that can instantly boost your tech skills and productivity. Whether you're working from home, studying online, or just looking to streamline your tech experience, these tips will come in handy. So, let's get started. The first step to enhancing your tech skills is mastering keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can dramatically increase your efficiency by reducing the time you spend navigating menus. For Windows users, try pressing Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. On a Mac, use Command-C and Command-V for the same functions. These shortcuts are just the tip of the iceberg, with many more available to explore. Next, let's talk about optimizing your device's performance. Regularly clearing out cache and unnecessary files can significantly enhance your device's speed. On a PC, you can use the built-in disk cleanup utility to remove temporary files. Mac users can utilize the Manage Storage feature in System Preferences. Not only does this free up space, but it also keeps your device running smoothly. Another essential tip is to secure your online presence. Regularly updating your passwords and using a password manager can protect your accounts from unauthorized access. Opt for a manager that encrypts your data and stores your passwords securely. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Now let's address the importance of backing up your data. Using cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud, you can ensure your important files are stored safely and can be accessed from any device. Set up automatic backups to avoid losing valuable data due to unexpected hardware failures or accidental deletions. Finally, customize your digital workspace. Declutter your desktop by organizing files into folders and utilizing a clean, simple background to minimize distractions. Consider using apps or tools that help manage your tasks and calendar efficiently, like Trello or Google Calendar, to maintain a productive workflow. These small adjustments can make a huge difference in your tech experience. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Ludotips TV for more practical guides and insights into making technology work for you. Hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.